Hello, my friend. My name is Harry. Nice to meet you. What I'm going to do is show you how to draw this quick little cartoon. When I saw this guy, you know what I thought about? I thought about, I don't know, Commissioner Gordon or something like that. It seemed like he looked like one of the Commissioner Gordons from Batman. So that was my thought as I was drawing this picture. So with this picture, I always, I would think to start with the middle section of the face. I don't know, something about the glasses and the nose I wanted to get down first. With each picture, it's going to be a little bit differently how you approach. So I'm not going to show you and say, hey, you have to use this particular system because each artist is different. But what I will say is whatever stands out to you about the picture first, that's really kind of where you want to start at. All right, so let me see here. Now I'm working down to my beard shape, and then I will add my bottom lip here. It's kind of sticking out a little bit. And then we have our profile of the face here. So this is my classic arrow-shaped face. I have different how I approach caricatures. I've made up like kind of a language that I can understand when I'm looking at faces. So it's beyond. Now all I have to do is kind of just plug in the shapes that I've already kind of pre-made up to draw from. I think that's the best way to do it, especially if you're looking to do like caricature as a living. You want to do it, and your income is going to be based off of your speed. How many pictures you can put out in a certain amount of time. Well, you don't want to be wasting a great deal of time with all of these extravagant themes. I've seen a lot of different artists, and they use a lot of theme work, a lot of extra time doing a lot of different stuff, and maybe they get some type of joy out of that. But obviously those things take a little bit more time to do, and if you have a long line, that's going to be kind of, I feel like, disrespectful to the people that's waiting in line for 2 hours for you to finish one picture. You know what I mean? So that's why I do it that way. All right, so you see how fast the picture was done? I mean, it didn't take us any time at all. Keep it plain, keep it simple. You don't have to say much as long as what you say is powerful. You know what I mean?
Hold on a
It's been
second,
my
I'm coming.
experience that people are more impressed with the simplicity of the picture a lot of times than the complexness. When you can do something so simple and make it look like them. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, when I do caricatures, I want them to hang this picture in their living room. And a lot of those ridiculous cartoons that you'll see on TikTok and stuff like that, yeah, they're great for a moment, and they probably get the person that drew them a lot of views on TikTok, which is, I think, part of the motivating reason why they draw the faces so outrageous and it don't look like the person. It takes away the likeness, or it insults them just straight up. I would never do that in one of my pictures. I don't care if I get views or not. I'm not going to draw somebody like that because it's just ridiculous, to be honest with you. Yeah. All right. So just here, I'm using a little crayon here and to do all my dark work, right? And pretty much we're done. I want to thank you for watching my little video / talk show about caricature, right? You have an awesome day, and hopefully I can draw with you again soon. Such a pleasure. Have an awesome day, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.